Hello and welcome back. So, there's a lot of negativity, unfortunately, out there these days, I feel, about anything. And one of the things that I've been looking at, like Facebook groups, Instagram posts, things like that, are people just saying not to get into the dental profession. They're telling students or potential students, don't become a dental hygienist because offices are horrible. You don't want to work for them. And the dental hygienists that are currently working want to get out of the offices and do something else. I've seen posts about, I'm a dental hygienist for 20 years. What is everybody else doing to get out of the dental field, but perhaps still use my skills? So I think all of that's crazy. So I'm about to squash all of that. I've been a very happy dental professional since 2005. I was a dental receptionist, a dental assistant, a dental hygienist, a restorative dental hygienist after that, and now I currently have my own dental hygiene practice. I'm a mobile dental hygienist where I clean teeth in patients' homes. So I do have my own practice. So I don't work under a dentist, but when I did, which was probably, I think I stopped working for a dentist in 2018. So, depending on when you're watching the video, it's 2025 now. But so past or before 2018, I still loved my job. I worked for a great office. I had a great boss. I had great coworkers. We all kind of worked and did what we had to do. I did have to work one evening a week. We also took turns working like one Saturday a month because the office did have longer hours to accommodate patients. But I was happy. We were all happy. We were fine. We were never looking for another job. We were never doing any of that. So I'm telling people who are thinking about becoming a dental hygienist, absolutely do it. It is worth it. It is such a rewarding career to help people, to help their mouths get happier, healthier, and to teach them about their oral health from parents, children, adults in nursing homes, education. It's such an amazing career. And dental isn't going anywhere because we all have teeth, right? That will never change. So that's another thing why I encourage people to get into dental is it's not going anywhere. With all the new technology these days, AI, all kinds of things, we just never know who's going to keep their job. But honestly, they said the same thing about grocery stores when they started doing self-checkouts. They said, "Oh, this is horrible. We're taking away real people's jobs." And I don't know about you, but yeah, we have self-checkout, but I still go to a real person because I just prefer that. But even if most people went to the self-checkouts, there's still a need for real people to be at the grocery store, right? And to help you check out. But anyways, that has nothing to do with dental. But everybody's saying how jobs these days are it's going to be horrible because AI is taking over. Well, they can't take over teeth, okay? They can't clean teeth. AI, there won't be a robot helping the dentist pass instruments because that just won't happen. What if the instrument falls, insurance purposes, you name it. So we need dental professionals. But if you're a student and if you've just heard all kinds of negativity, you're wondering if dental hygiene or dental assisting is something you want to get into, yes, you should. But I also want to say, though, it's not for everybody. Don't be afraid when you're in school. Even a couple semesters in, you might realize, I don't like teeth at all. This isn't for me. Oh my goodness, this is horrible. It's not for everybody. I couldn't be a nurse. I couldn't imagine seeing what they see and doing what they do. I couldn't be a doctor. I personally couldn't even be a dentist. I don't want the extra responsibility. Dental hygiene is my sweet spot. That's what I wanted to do. I loved being a dental assistant, though, too. I loved being a dental receptionist. But dental hygiene, I've always wanted to work for myself. I wanted to be the ones with the patients. So dental hygiene was my sweet spot, right? But dental hygiene school isn't easy. It's not an easy program. It's not a cheap program either. It's expensive. It's competitive. You typically have to maintain a 70% average in all of your classes in order to pass. Even me. I remember, I think it was pharmacology class. That was just the one class where we had not a very good teacher where she wouldn't really teach us properly, so we would all fail exams. And the school manager or supervisor or whoever, they had to intervene because even I was failing the course. And from any of my previous videos, if you've watched them, I would be the one tutoring and helping students throughout their program because I just loved dental so much. I That's why I became a tutor with my own company because I just loved teaching dental and explaining it. And even when I see patients now, anytime they have questions, I'm like, "Oh, perfect. I would love to answer for you. Let me show you a bunch of pictures and kind of help you out." So if I was failing a class, they knew something was wrong. But anyway, back to my point, you do need good marks. You can't just coast through, barely pass, and think they're going to graduate you and give you a diploma as a dental hygienist. That's not going to happen. You wouldn't want to be with a dental hygienist who barely passed their program and could barely clean teeth, right? Probably not. So there is a lot. We are expected to do a lot. We're expected to know a lot, but it's completely worth it. You will love it. And if you work for the appropriate office, a nice office that's friendly, your boss cares for their staff, you get lunch breaks, you don't have to work 12 hours a day, that's a good office, but just run away from the ones that wanna pay you $10 an hour, and they don't wanna give you a lunch break. You have to work from 9 till 6, and they try to tell you that that's normal. No, because unfortunately for new dental hygienists who are just getting out of school, I find offices do take advantage. They try to tell them things like, "Oh, nobody gets a lunch here," or "Nobody does this," or "Nobody does that." Well, reach out to me if you have any questions because there are definitely certain things that they might tell you that just isn't true. But again, reach out to me if you have any questions depending on where you are going to work. But it's a great career, okay? I mean, first and foremost, if you're just getting into your school program, you're just so nervous about school. How are you going to learn everything, do your homework? And then once you graduate, then you're probably thinking, okay, I got to work for an office. How do I apply? What am I going to do? I help you every step of the way. So, whether you're looking to get into a college program and you're taking the admissions exam for dental hygiene, I help with that. Whether you are now done your admissions exam and going into college, but you're like, okay, I need help with a tutor. What if I have questions on projects, exams, assignments? I help with that too. I do have a course at Dentalelle Student Academy. But then also, once you're done your program, I have a course to help prepare you for the board exam. So I help you literally every step of the way. Even if you just have a few questions, send me an email. I will help you because I'm so passionate about the dental profession. I love it. I have my own business now. I would be doing this till I'm 99 years old if I'm able to. I really do like it that much. Whether I'm working for a dental office or working for myself, this is truly what I'm meant to do, what I want to do. And I'm so passionate in helping others achieve the same thing. So reach out if you need anything. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'll see you in the next one.